Tired of those exorbitant electrician fees? Today, your worry ends. I'm about to teach you how to install ceiling lights like a pro. So, are you ready to ignite your DIY passion? Let's get started. Also, I've compiled a step-by-step installation guide along with important tips and precautions. I'll be giving it away for free at the end of the video. Stay tuned. Here's what we'll be working with today: a stylish and energy-efficient LED ceiling light. But before we dive in, remember, safety first. Ensure the main switch is off before starting any electrical work. We'll also need some tools to get started, most of which you probably already have at home: a ladder, a screwdriver, pliers, and of course, a new light. Let's get down to the installation. And that's it. A brand new, professionally installed ceiling light, all done by you. Remember, the key is to take it slow, follow the instructions, and always prioritize safety. In our next episode, I'll be introducing the latest IP65 ceiling light product. You won't want to miss it. Kinganon is an original factory with 10 years of experience in LED production. If you want to learn more about our latest lighting fixtures, their installation, usage, and how they're manufactured and maintained, please visit our YouTube page by clicking the link below. Finally, if you want to learn more details about this product, make sure to check out our next video. I will also be updating our official website with product information and installation precautions, and I've already put the link in the description box. See you in our next episode. Bye for now.